Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monese. Monese is a mobile banking app that allows you to manage your money from anywhere in the world. I've been using Monese for a while now, and I've found it to be a really useful tool. In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, where does Monese work? I'll also be discussing some of the pros and cons of using Monese. So, let's get started. What is Monese? Monese is a mobile banking app that allows you to manage your money from anywhere in the world. You can use Monese to send and receive money, pay bills, and even get a debit card. Monese is available in over 30 countries, and it supports over 15 currencies. This makes it a great option for people who travel or live abroad. Where does Monese work? Monese works in over 30 countries, including the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and the United States. You can use Monese to make payments in any of these countries. Monese also supports over 15 currencies, including the US dollar, the euro, the British pound, and the Australian dollar. This means that you can use Monese to send and receive money in any of these currencies. Pros and cons of using Monese. Pros. Monese is available in over 30 countries. Monese supports over 15 currencies. Monese is easy to use. Monese is affordable. Monese offers a variety of features, including the ability to send and receive money, pay bills, and get a debit card. Cons. Monese does not support all currencies. Monese does not have a physical bank branch. Monese does not offer as many features as some other banking apps. Monese is a great option for people who are looking for a mobile banking app that is easy to use, affordable, and available in a variety of countries. However, Monese may not be the best option for people who need to support a wide range of currencies or who prefer a bank with a physical branch. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.